welcome to Jamaican Experience. It's here the Chris representing Jamaica here in Jamaica. Oh my god, that is so crazy to be so loud. So guys, this video will basically be part 2 of our first day here in Jamaica. So stay tuned as we go and visit an old-time friend and we try Scotchies for the very first time. Oh my god, it was so good.
We went to it first time.
The big bus driver here.
Bus driver live here, so.
Ingrid used to have a house up there too.
Up on the hilltop,
Our stone one, brick house-ish looking something like.
I'm from here.
And from here, where?
Here's where we have to come.
Here, so?
You know, no, gerade aus is just playfield. But the next one then. Yeah, it's open.
Still straight, that was my basic school.
Yeah, Miss Morris.
I used to go over here and
That's why I used to go to baby school instead of kindergarten.
And the English speaker.
Miss Morris died a long time ago.
English that.
So then left here.
Yeah. Yes, now you can go up the hill. Also, I don't feel like this was a long way. Next where we take the next week. Right down there, so.
I feel like it's long. Stay there. It's not long. Straight.
The end of the road she lived. Yeah.
Oh my god, puppy. Watch out. I shop there now, again.
That's her house here.
Yeah, so we have to park here, yeah.
Okay.
And that Panda road there, Ingrid, I live, you go straight, so a little further down. I remember the old man who used to live here. I forgot what his name. Guys, he saw us up here. Anybody not ripe yet? Down there, our overripe one.
No, I think so. Probably the person who lives downstairs. This Simon. They have an ex.
Yeah?
Nah. They would not walk married in, you think, or maybe they must sleep.
Maybe we are passing.
So guys, we came to look for our good friend, but it looks like she's not home.
Yeah. She's still there.
Hello? 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 Somebody home? Hello?
Yeah, she lives here, but she's in Canada.
Oh my god, how long?
June, she went June 18th.
So what about Simon?
Simon should be up there. There's the car.
The car? Which car? No.
It's the white car, unless he walks down because his holiday's gone down. But Simon is here.
Oh, well.
But alright, otherwise, I think it's out.
Yeah, he's good.
Certain things sometimes happen just for a wise purpose. Because you just left the thing, forget the thing on the
And
bed.
we're not even rush to go back.
Right.
We did kind of feel it, I guess.
So we never, but the view, oh my god.
Yeah, guys, they won't get to see the view from our balcony.
I
But
remember we used to sit down here and play.
yeah, man, we used to play here.
She might come back. Imagine.
Yeah. But we could have got Cecile shop with the right around us.
Yeah, we are going to look to Cecile.
Have a good evening.
Yes.
Mama says she want to buy bread.
Excuse me, sorry. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm trying to be good. Okay, alright. Still work. Make candy for
It look like you don't have the feelings and Marlene never there.
I'm not really
have a feeling on the nose, so we're having a joke. Now we do that walk.
Yeah. And then when we say if we turn back to the bag and say no.
Guys, should be there with a back again for sure. Not really that because I know me would have go back anyway.
Course,
Like, you know, so that wouldn't be, it's not like me only go there once and so that's why I'm not fussy about going back to the dark. But
Man, he needs ball, you know, me wonder.
yeah, I wonder
So
too.
get a time to see her before, you know. What is going here, so.
We get some Jamaican liquid sunshine.
So Sarah, try to get up and see.
No. What about the
Tastes good, it's sweet?
Mama.
Yes, sweet?
Try. Go on, try now. So guys, my turn. Okay. Mommy never used to like it. If you want to try it?
Not like me not like them. It's just when I get okay.
I love this. Let's eat them. You like it, brother?
Never like it.
No? Them kind of dry.
One but me not really like it.
You mean in general?
Yeah, just a supper, just very nice food memory.
Yeah, this bring back our childhood memories. So we used to go. We had this neighbor man. Yeah, we used to pick up. He had too much food, too much peanut butter. Yeah, I don't think he didn't mind. Mega Mart cheaper than
It's just average.
shop, than your average shop.
No, it's just the average.
Ah, it's the average.
Yeah, most likely.
Okay. But in my head, you know, we feel like some Mega Mart did always more expensive than. No? I got them huge, ginormous.
They have a smoke.
So guys, they're here at Scotchies. Check out the prices. Cannot wait. I got jerk pork and fries because they don't have what we did want. They don't have breadfruit. They did not have, what was the other thing where they never have? They never have yam, they never have breadfruit. So I got fries, so I got steamed veg, but I get chicken. Plus get pork as well. Where you say? Here so used to be
It used to be jerkies, so it changed to Scotchies.
Oh god, everything. It looks nice. I say if can get from outside. Yeah. Fry. But it's not in the... We just have to go back. I don't know what is what. So guys, dry pork and fries with festival dry pork. Sarah,
I'm a cup soup.
cup of veg and rice and
The cup veg and cup rice.
the sauce.